In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up e-commerce automations in Mailchimp. Whether you're an online store owner or a marketer looking to streamline your customer interactions, automating your emails can significantly enhance your business efficiency and customer engagement. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've signed in, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen and locate the automations section. This is where all the magic happens. By using automations, you can set your campaigns to run automatically, freeing up time to focus on other crucial aspects of your business. Now, you'll want to select Create to start building your automation. Mailchimp provides various options, but for e-commerce, you might want to focus on specific automations like abandoned cart reminders or product recommendations. Both are excellent choices if you're looking to nudge customers towards completing purchases or encouraging them to explore more of your offerings. Make sure you select the option that best aligns with your current goals. Once you've chosen your preferred automation type, it's essential to connect your e-commerce platform. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another solution, integrating it with Mailchimp will synchronize your store's data with your campaigns. This connection ensures that your emails are targeted appropriately based on real-time customer behavior. Mailchimp usually guides you through this setup with on-screen prompts, but ensure your online store platform is supported for smooth syncing of data. Next comes the fun part, customizing your email templates. Consider how you want your emails to look and feel. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates you can choose from, making it simpler to create visually appealing emails. Set the timing for when each email should be sent. For example, if you're running an abandoned cart sequence, you might decide to send the first reminder email a day after the cart is abandoned. Tinkering with these settings allows you to optimize for higher engagement rates. After you're satisfied with your email settings, it's time to activate your automation. Turning it on makes sure everything you've set up starts working in the background, retrieving customer data, sending new emails, and so forth. But remember, the job doesn't end here. Monitoring the